After over 20 years of research, the Youtangdao rice was created by the Research Institute of the Shanghai Academy of Agricultural Sciences. The team spliced the gene for resistant starch into standard rice, giving Youtangdao a low glycemic index. In a clinical trial run by Huadong Hospital, the rice showed its ability to control levels of blood sugar in diabetes patients. Compared with traditional rice, blood sugar levels in test subjects remained stable after eating 2 bowls of the new rice.
The new functional rice variety is the first of its kind around the globe in terms of its gene patent. It's very difficult to find the plant with such characteristics among hundreds of thousands of plants. We spent a very long time on the research.
The newly designed rice is sown and harvested in a similar manner to that of regular rice. A 600,000 square meter production base for Youtangdao was established in Zhuqiao town in Pudong. The base is expected to be expanded 100 times its current size within 5 years.